Hi there, and welcome to this guide on how to install your VisiPoint sign-in system. Before we begin, let's run through everything you're going to need in order to get yourself up and running with VisiPoint. Firstly, you're going to need cable ties to keep your cables nice and neat. You're also going to need cable tie mounts to keep those in place. Next, you're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver. Finally, you're going to need a tape measure to measure your install space. We're now going to measure the space where the VisiPoint will be installed to ensure that everything will fit. Next, we're going to unbox and put together the stand and vesa mount for the VisiPoint. We're then going to attach the stand to the desk and tighten it using the clamp provided. Once the stand's been attached, you can then attach the vesa mount. Simply slide the mount onto the stand and tighten up the screw. This is also a good time to attach your cable tie mounts underneath the desk. It's now time to unbox the printer. Once you have everything out of the box, remove all of the blue tape from around the printer and set it to one side for a moment. Now we're going to prepare and mount the VisiPoint. Start by placing two washers onto each of the screw holes at the top of the VisiPoint. Then, screw in the screws part of the way, leaving room for the washers to move freely. Next, slide the VisiPoint onto the vesa mount in the space between the washers and the screws. You can then attach the other two screws to ensure that the VisiPoint is securely mounted. Once you've done that, you can plug in the cables for the power, data, and printer. Then plug the power cable and USB cable into your printer. Your VisiPoint tablet will typically come pre-configured with the appropriate token. However, if you need to locate this for any reason, you can head to the kiosk list on the dashboard. Then a list of kiosks will appear. K2 is the typical device token. However, if you have multiple devices, you'll have multiple tokens. Once you've located your token, you can simply enter it on the VisiPoint tablet when prompted to do so. And that's it, you're all done. Your VisiPoint should now be set up and ready to go.